If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste.
Cauliflower or full gobi. It is considered to be a superfood due to its high nutrient value. And when you are on a keto diet or you are being health conscious, you try to binge more on this vegetable. I will show you how to make gobi keema today or riced cauliflower stir fry. This is a very delicious and easy recipe. Very happy new year to all my viewers. Please note the ingredients needed for this recipe. List is also given in description below. First, we need grated cauliflower or riced cauliflower. Full gobi kaddukas ki hui and need not grate it too fine. So, I used the thicker grater to make this riced cauliflower. Heat oil or tel in a pan. Add in homemade ginger garlic paste. Don't forget to check in the recipe. Cook it on medium heat till the raw smell goes away, about half a minute. Then add in about 1 inch of ginger julienne or अदरक-लहस, some green chillies or हरी मिर्च. This is to your taste. Stir fry for another 10 seconds. Time to add in grated cauliflower. Kaddukas ki hui gobi goes in. Add in salt or namak to taste, turmeric or haldi, red chilli or lal mirch powder. And on medium heat only, stir fry it for about 5 minutes. Stir in between, but do not leave it unattended. And after about 5 minutes or so, gobi keema is ready. Turn off the heat. Now is the time to add in some aromatic garam masala. This is my homemade garam masala, better than store-bought. Please check the recipe. A quick mix and some more ginger julienne, some more slit green chilies. This is to your taste again. And some finely chopped cilantro for the garnish. Mix well and enjoy. It gets cooked so easily and quickly, and it tastes very good.
However you serve it, you're gonna love it.
Enjoy this as is or with roti, paratha. You can even enjoy this with non-vegetarian sides. Thanks for watching.